Good morning, everybody. I'm doing a marble pour with the red background, and then I'm going to move on from the red. It looks like a Dexter episode or something, all this red and plastic. So, I wanted to try a marble pour. I thought it would be pretty with the black and silver and red. So, all right, so I've already put the red obviously down on the base, and I wanted to start with black, and I put a good bit on this. Now, at first, I kind of wanted some of the red negative space to show through, but it didn't really turn out that way, so you'll see. But it's so pretty. It reminds me of the Georgia Bulldog colors since I'm here in Atlanta. But it turned out really well. So I mixed my paints exactly like I did for the freestyle pour that I did with the little cups. And I just made some extra red, but I used the same paints and everything. So, all right, well, I'm just going to let you watch the video and let me know if you try it and how it turned out. But I really liked it. So, I love the bright red. It's so pretty. All right, well, I appreciate you watching this, and stay tuned. I'll put some tunes on for you so you can watch the video. And at the end, I show the final picture of the painting. So you guys take care, and I'll see you next video. Okay, bye bye.